Oxygen sensors, also called lambda sensors, monitor exhaust gas oxygen levels to optimize fuel-air mixtures in internal combustion engines. Testing with a multimeter is essential. As of 2025, modern vehicles use wideband O2 sensors for precise fuel control. A multimeter measures the sensor's output voltage, which fluctuates with oxygen levels. Rich mixtures produce low voltage, while lean mixtures produce high voltage. Voltage swings indicate a healthy sensor, while steady voltage suggests contamination or failure. Here's how to test an O2 sensor. 1. Safety and preparation. Ensure the engine is cool. Set your digital multimeter to DC volts, 0 to 1 volts for narrowband, 0 to 5 volts for wideband. Locate the O2 sensor. 2. Disconnect and connect. Unplug the sensor's harness. Connect the multimeter's red probe to the signal wire, typically gray, and black to a good ground. 3. Warm-up test. Start the engine and let it idle. Voltage should fluctuate. 4. Response test. Briefly rev the engine. Voltage should spike accordingly. 5. Heater circuit check, if applicable. Switch the multimeter to ohms. Measure resistance across heater wires, typically 2 to 10 ohms. 6. Interpretation. No voltage or slow response indicates failure. Compare readings to manufacturer specs. Remember, O2 sensors need to be hot, 300 to 600 degrees Celsius, to operate correctly. Resistance checks verify heater circuits, which can mimic sensor issues.